Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best snowshoes that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have MSRP Youth Snowshoes for Teens. With sizes of 19 inches, these snowshoes are great picks for young adults and teens. They are designed to provide safe, easy walking on ice and snow. The snowshoes have been fitted with sturdy alloy steel frames, which makes them a favorite for prolonged use. Besides this, they have a secure adjustable binding fit, making them favorites for most users. What is more, these snowshoes are comfy to wear for long thanks to the lightweight designs. They adopt steel traction bars plus crampons, which provide amazing stability and safety when walking. What is more, they have a quality durable injection molded deck for great strength on all snow conditions, hence the ultimate options you may consider. Moving on at number 4, we have Atlas Snowshoes Men's Trail Walking Snowshoes. The size of the snowshoes is a factor that you have to consider when shopping for the units. Here is a great selection of a snowshoe with a size of 30 inches to fit most men plus available in other sizes to get the ideal option. Secondly, the snowshoes are finished in most colors to get the favorite color. That said, these snowshoes have sturdy metallic frames for great stability and support. Still, they have improved the traction system for safety on every surface. Moreover, the upper is made using synthetic mesh material, which makes them comfy for all users. They have a proper buckle closure system to ensure amazing safety and stability. The pack also comes with a pair of snowshoes poles that provide added safety for the user. At number 3, we have Red Feather Women's Snowshoes. Always look for the quality of the material that makes the snowshoes you wish to buy. This is a perfect pair of snowshoes crafted using the best quality aluminum frames for great stability and support. They are also lightweight shoes that allow for a comfy walk. These snowshoes have sure grip crampon systems that have stainless steel fronts for improved stability on the ice. They are also powder coated to ensure the simple shedding of ice and snow. The snowshoes are available in a wide range of sizes to get the best option for a proper fit. That said, these shoes also have been equipped with live action hinges to aid in the lifting of the shoes from snow for every step made. This brings about great speed and mobility, hence a fantastic option you never want to miss. At number 2, we have CarryOn 4-in-1 Extreme Lightweight Aluminum Alloy Snowshoes. This is another pair of snowshoes that you will get excellent for your needs. These products are available in most sizes from 14 inches to 30 inches with variable weight loads. Due to this, they are great picks for men and women. Apart from this, the frames are designed using premium quality aluminum alloy material, which ensures a longer lifespan. Moreover, they got a lacing system to hold the feet securely plus features fast lock buckles for proper fit. The pack comes with a pair of trekking poles, which allows for simple trekking on ice. They got a carrying case for storage needs. And finally at number 1, Otoland 4-in-1 Snowshoes for Men and Women. Featuring quality aluminum alloy frames, these snowshoes are highly durable plus have crampons for better traction. Besides the body is also built from aluminum, and with the strong bindings, you will get them excellent options that will serve most users to fit all footwear. The pack comes with a pair of trekking poles that you get to adjust for additional support. That said, they offer great flotation plus easily portable since they come in a carrying bag. These products are recommended for both men and women as they come in most sizes to get what will offer a custom fit. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.